All right, welcome back. We've got a lot of energy in the studio this morning. Jasmine Kyle is joining us from the SEK Humane Society, and we have Periwinkle as well.
Yeah, so good morning. This is Periwinkle. She is an 8-month-old Weimaraner chocolate lab mix. So we got her a few months ago. She unfortunately was dumped near our facility, skin and bones, and it has taken her a few months. Thank you, that's a very good sit. As you can see, we've been working on commands with her, but we've had her for a few months now working on getting this beautiful girl built back up, and she is just a puppy. She is just 8 months old. She does great with other dogs. We're working on her with cats, but we had a wonderful artist come in and he paid for her adoption fee. So she's sponsored, so she has no adoption fee. She's spayed, she's microchipped, and today she becomes available for adoption.
So, and one thing I've noticed is she doesn't really shed that much.
No, she doesn't, and that's what you'll get with the Weimaraner mixes. They're very, very, very short hair mixes. So you're talking about minimal shedding for her. So right now she is in her puppy stages. So for those Weimaraner labs, you want to be very active during this time just to get a schedule in place. But they are great on learning. There we go, just like that, learning on commands where I don't even have to give her a command right now. She knows the type of energy I'm looking for her, and she's going to respond accordingly to that, which is great.
Now I noticed she's a hungry little dog that loves her treats, and I'm sure you guys have lots of dogs that it costs a lot to feed them throughout the year.
It does. In all honesty, for our shelter with how many animals we operate, it usually costs us an average of $20,000 a year to feed all of our shelter animals.
That's a lot.
Because again, we're out there 365 days a year. Just because it's Christmas doesn't mean that animals don't get fed and they don't get a meal. So we have teamed up again with the Ronald O. Thomas Foundation, and they have pledged to do an $8,000 match for a week. That'll be November 14th through the 20th, and during that time, all donations will be matched up to $8,000. So by the end of that week, if we can meet our goal, that's $16,000 to refill our food till that we have. So that would provide us enough food to feed all of our shelter animals for the entire 2023 year, which is huge.
So how can people donate during that time period?
Yeah, so there's going to be 3 ways. So during that week, each day on our Facebook page, we will have a Facebook fundraiser set up. You can also mail in donations during that time. That's P.O. Box 783 here in Pittsburgh, Kansas. And then of course through our PayPal. That is on our website and on our Facebook page as well too.
Okay. Yep, we got to keep these dogs fed.
Yeah,
for sure.
And that's the one thing we'll get questions about, because we do get food donated, but think of yourself when you're feeding your kids, right? You don't go from a healthy meal to a McDonald's cheeseburger, back and forth, back and forth. You're going to get a stomach ache. And the same thing is with dogs, right? As much as we appreciated donated food, and we can usually use a good portion of it, that's why we have the community food public bank for the public, just because we don't want to upset dogs' stomachs that much, give them diarrhea, that type of jazz. So it's really important for kids and for animals to be on a standard good diet for them. It's for their nutritional benefit, and it makes the process of them going home that much better at the same time.
Okay, so real quickly before we go to break, Periwinkle is up for adoption available today. So how can people do that?
Yeah, head on over to our website, the SEKHumaneSociety.com. Starting at around noon today, you will find her image on our website. Just click on it, and then you will find that adoption tab for her.
All right. Well, thank you so much for coming in, and hopefully we can find you your forever home, Periwinkle.
I hope so too. She's so
been
sweet.
Good. She wanted to do the weather forecast a little bit ago, but we held her back. All right. Thank you so much, and we will be right back.